boom, 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 done. You having fun, bro? What's up, you guys? Andre here with ZbWKwL. We're starting off with a not so good day. Truck tire was fully flat, like 14 psi, so hopefully it's not a major leak, because I told this guy I'm headed to his house right now to go give him a bid on removing some trees. He's another contractor. I've done work for them in the past. They are some pretty cool people. He said it's about 2 loads right now of tree debris, so we're gonna go check it out. I got the mini loaded up already, and hopefully this tire does not give us problems, because it will suck if it leaks fast. I must say, it is nice having sensors that you can read from inside the truck while you drive, because the tire's reading about 66 psi right now. So if it starts going down, then I'll know I got a problem and I got to go take care of this before I even like start this job. So that's a big plus, I guess. But yeah, we're about 15 minutes away from this job, so we'll see how that goes. What's up, man? How you doing? Long time no see. You been working?
Yeah, actually it's been pretty steady.
That's awesome.
About the last month, yeah. But other than that, a lot of people, they're calling me and they're like, hey man, if you want to just drop this tree for me and cut it up into manageable pieces, I'm like, yeah, no problem.
Yeah, that's perfect for you, because that's all you're trying to do is just cut, right?
Exactly.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this my uncle called me the other day. I was actually right before another job. He called me the night before. He's like, hey, I think this tree, it's failing. It got the big crack, and you know, and sure enough, dude, like right in the union right here.
Oh yeah?
It was splitting, so I had to come in the morning. I climbed up, put a big ratchet strap on it to hold it up.
Oh really?
Because I had another job.
Yeah. So, oh yeah, I see this right here.
And so it was this huge limb right here that was hanging off, and it was going right towards the house. And I was like, yeah, I'll come by and I'll drop it in a few hours. I had a big 4,500 pound ratchet strap, so it was gonna hold it.
Oh yeah.
So I don't worry about that.
No.
So yeah, so I came by and dropped this, and I just finished cutting it up right now. So,
dude, it's so hot. I was home. I put on black jeans and a black t-shirt. I walked outside to load up the mini skid steer. I'm like, nah, he already cut up. I don't have to cut up, so I'm gonna just go put some shorts on. It's hot, bro.
Yeah, actually it was last Friday. I went and I took down quite a few trees, maybe 6 or 7 of them. And just loaded them up and moved them. I had to load them by hand on my flat trailer and just drag them to the woods and tie it to a tree and bail out.
Oh yeah, and, that's smart actually. Yeah. I didn't even think of that.
So it was real easy to do. The hard part was just the handwork, and most of it I was just trying to drop the trees on trailers. So that's crap I had to pick up.
Yeah.
And I took Elena with me, and I'm glad I did, because I mean she didn't do anything. She just sat there and watched me work, but she kept me hydrated, because we had a heat index of like 106 that day. I wasn't even paying attention to it. Yeah. And I was fine all the way up till probably about noon. And then it started getting too hot, and I had to stop like every 20 minutes.
You have to stay hydrated.
Yeah. Drink and drink for about. I was on break for more than I was working.
Yeah.
So I was sitting down for probably about 20-30 minutes, and I'd go work for another 20 minutes and then come back, sit down. And
gotcha. Yeah. I mean, that's what you got to do sometimes, bro. But this wasn't a big tree, huh?
No, it wasn't. It was probably maybe about 55 feet, but...
Yeah. It's got quite a bit of brush, I could see. Yeah. So your uncle's building another house right there? That wasn't there last time, huh?
Nope. That's where those trees were that were took out the last time.
See all that mulch over here?
Right where the patio is at, there's that big pine that was right there.
All the mulch just chilling, decomposing?
Yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to do.
Man, he brought in a ton of dirt, huh?
Yeah, it's in dirt.
So you just dropped it in the woods?
No, dropped it this way. And then cleaned most of it up and then pushed that over there. There's probably about half a tree over there down in that hole. And then this one just fell over.
That's
we
crazy.
Came out and looked at it one day and we're like, man, that tree's leaning really bad. And sure enough, probably like 2 days later, my uncle, he's like, hey, that tree fell. I was like, well, good thing it fell over there.
Yeah, that's sick though, how he's doing all this. And this is why an excavator is nice, because you don't have to sit up here and jump and do like no dent. With an excavator, just go with the boom, 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 done. So what I'm doing right now is basically compacting it a little bit, that way I can grab more at once. So I am able to load over the 4-foot walls, guys. It's not as easy as 3-foot walls, and you can't crush down, which sucks. But you can jump up there, obviously, and jump on it yourself. Machine's doing pretty good, though. saw me liking it and stuff, right?
Yeah. It's hard, dude. It's hard to reach people. I noticed that.
And this is why you wear a screen protector. This just slid out of my shorts. I have zippers, but my dummy self decided to not lock it. I think I only got the screen protector though, thankfully. That will never happen with jeans though, because they're so sticky. Alright guys, we got the load all tarped up. We're headed to the landfill right now. Once we dump this, we're gonna head back and load a load of logs. It's not really a full load, it's probably gonna be around half, so not much at all. And I'm just gonna dump that at my house to save money on the dump fee, because I'm not gonna pay to dump good logs. It's just not worth it for me. I can drop them off to people's houses for free. I know this guy that sells firewood, like literally 5 minutes from my house, but for a load that small, it's not even worth it for me to take it to him. I'm just gonna take him to my house and I'll let him dry up, and maybe I'll burn him down the line. Worst comes to worst, I can take him a load of dry firewood if I never end up splitting it. So in reality, for this job, if you had an excavator, you could fit everything in one trip. But because I don't, and it's not worth it for me to hire one, since this is a small job, I'm just gonna do 2 trips. It's not bad though. I'm still making pretty decent money. I wanted to make 800 bucks, but the guy was not willing to pay that much. He was really trying to spend 600, so we met in the middle at 700. And you know, sometimes it's worth doing work for cheaper just to get the work. This is a contractor, guys. He's not gonna pay top dollar like a regular customer would. And if it makes sense, I'm still gonna do it. This guy's towing this dump trailer with the Suburban. Those things got some power, man. I'd be surprised, honestly. Hey, babe.
Hey, are you coming home after the dump?
No, I'm not. Why? What's going on?
I got a text about the delivery.
What delivery?
The strollers.
Okay, and what about it? Do you have to sign? You can just tell them to leave it by the front door and your husband will put it in. And if you... What the heck did I just hit? I thought this log smacked me. What's up, y'all? You on it right here, bro? What's up, bro? This thing's crazy right here. Alright guys, as you see, this thing is loaded. You having fun, bro? Brush usually always comes out perfect. Yep. This got stuck on the ring because it was past the walls. Big pile right here. Alright guys, I'm headed to the house right now. Unfortunately, there has been an accident right in between us. 15-minute drive and there's a car accident, so now it's like a 25-30 minute drive, unfortunately. But I'm gonna go dump this. The GoPro died, so you guys didn't get to see the whole process, but I got everything loaded and I just got to do like a little bit of cleanup once I go back right now, and we're done. There was another brush pile put to the side by some other guy that's doing some work at the house, and Stacy, the guy that hired me, he didn't even know about it, so he asked me if I can take it, because that guy asked, he apparently moved it from that brush pile to the front, which made no sense, but I just helped him out, scooped it one scoop. It was a big pile, but the machine can like crush it down and grab quite a bit at once, so that's all right. I'm gonna get this dumped, set you guys up on the tripod, and then we got to go back and get the mini skid. And yeah, I'm gonna get myself an iced coffee from the house and an ice cream because it is hot. We went to Costco this morning, so we got some goodies at the house right now. This is a pretty decent amount of hickory logs, guys. This is just a little brush pile that I gotta burn or just, you know, toss into another load that I'm gonna take to the dump. But yeah, quite a bit of logs. Who wants them? It's so refreshing to drink something besides water when it's hot. Got myself a honeycomb ice cream as well. Costco special right here. All right guys, I got all this cleaned up over here. I wanted to show you guys this before I put the ramps away. Whenever you are parking on asphalt and you're using these ramps, always use something under, because I made this mistake a few times. When I would go on asphalt, it's super soft compared to concrete. The ramps are so sharp, they dig into it, especially when it's fresh. But with this skinny piece of plywood, that will never happen. So just to prevent damages for the future, always use that when you are on a nice driveway. This is where the tree was right here. Very little to no damage done to the lawn, guys, and it's all really because it wasn't wet. If it would be wet, like see right here, this was a soft spot, my tracks dug in a little bit, but this is nothing. This is gonna like grow back. It's just literally dirt with grass. But going up, nothing, all clean. A few little sticks left. I picked up a bunch, but the tiny ones he's gonna pick up on his own or just mulch them with his mower. But while I'm here, I'll pick up a few more. Then I'm just gonna put them into this tiny fire pit and they can burn them. Get the chicken some fresh grass. How you girls doing? You guys miss your sister? So there is a perk to being one chicken down, but also a big con. You know, less food I have to buy, but also less eggs I get. Hope I don't have to start buying eggs. We haven't bought eggs in like almost 2 years, thanks to these girls. Come here. Well guys, this is pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed me loading up this stuff and dumping it at my own house, LOL. But you know, that's what you gotta do sometimes. You gotta be smart in business. If you can save some money, you should, because sometimes you make less money than you expect to make. Pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.